the fungi were named after these famous entomologists. Well, some of the Laboulbeniales are very common, and the studies went over very, very slowly. After 40 years, in 1890, only 15 species were known. But at those times, Roland Taxter from the United States started studying these fungi. He started when only 15 species were known and described 1,200 different species in 40 years of work until 1931 when he died. In the same period, there was an Italian, Carlo Spiegazzini, who moved from Italy to Argentina and described very many species from Italy as well as from Argentina. Most of what we know from South America is from the studies of Spiegazzini. Now, these fungi are very common on insects which live on moist habitat with a lot of humidity. And in this environment, you can find a lot of ground beetles, Carabidi. This is the family in which you can see very easily these fungi. And here again we have different species of the genus Laboulbenia. And here again you can see the Perithecium. And here you can see the Antheridia, which is the male portion of the fungus. And this is very, very common here. This insect is very common in El Paramo, and the fungus as well is very common. But in this insect, there is a very peculiar thing, that you can find two different fungi of two different genera. This is genus Laboulbenia, this is the genus Rhacomyces, and what is very peculiar, that you can find Rhacomyces only on the legs and Laboulbenia all over the rest of the body. So they have different habitat on the same insect. A very rare thing can be seen in this small ground beetle. This small ground beetle has, as the one you have seen before, as this Rhacomyces on the legs. You can find it only on the legs. As well, you can find this Laboulbenia on the other parts of